Menteri Badai Kemi yaka Animal Husbandry but Veterinary Neri ubak Sanbor Shulai hakala sni ublay oleh thu balapha yaki officer ban let yakran sya menteri rang ba ke Assam ban kentu ha ka ban simkhya ha ka ban penyat bet ya ke jingwan ra ya ke jingri sya ke ke jela ulo ang hadu menta layop yang san pulai tlik application naga benta ke transit permit but lais pa anyu putli ki transit permit ladap pelat sya kinong khai ki dairy cooperative society bat kiwei ulama ham jori yaki officer bat kinong tray jong katanat ki badan kti ha ka ban simpisah ha ka por baki let pet benya yaki kot kisla jong ki kali ki baket yaki jingri sya ka jela ulo ang ru watla kidai ki pulit ni ki officer jong katanat veterinary ya ke FIR la ban ujor bat insya penstam ya ke badan keti
with our department and to come forward to register your complaints with documented proof, video clipping, video recording, with all these things, then immediately do if they are the police or the official of the veterinary, immediately we will file the FIR and we will suspend them.